Unit 6, the coastal plains and the islands. In this chapter, we will learn about southern part of our country is surrounded by the sea on three sides. Between the Arabian Sea and Western Ghats lies the western coastal plain. The eastern coastal plain lies between the Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghats. The Deccan Plateau separates these plains from each other. These plains meet at Kanyakumari. The Indian coastline is about 6,100 km long. It is very useful for India as many important seaports like Mumbai, Marmagaon, Chennai, Vishakhapatnam, Paradip, and Kolkata have developed along the coastline. Western Coastal Plain. Western Coastal Plain stretches from Gujarat to Kerala. The average width of the plain is about 65 kilometers. The Western Coastal Plain is divided into three parts: the Gujarat coast towards the north, the Konkan coast in the middle, and the Malabar coast towards the south. Lagoons or backwaters, locally called kayals, are found along the Malabar coast. Eastern Coastal Plain. Eastern Coastal Plain stretches from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. The average width of the plain is about 120 kilometers. It is divided into two parts. The northern part is known as the Northern Sarkars. The southern part is known as the Coromandel coast. Rivers such as the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri form large deltas along the eastern coastal plain. The islands. India has large number of islands. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. The two main groups of islands of our country are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie to the east of the Bay of Bengal. They are two groups of islands and are separated by 10-degree channel, with the Andamans to the north and the Nicobar Islands to the south. Paddy, maize, coconuts, rubber, and teak are the main products. Fruits like pineapples and papayas are also grown here. Fishing is another important occupation. These islands are mostly populated by tribals who live in huts of wood and grass. Now, some of the islands have been modernized and they have a lot of amenities. Port Blair is the capital of these islands. The southern tip of the islands is called the Indra Point. The cellular jail in Port Blair is very famous. When India was ruled by British, many Indian freedom fighters were put in this jail. The Lakshadweep. The Lakshadweep Islands lie in the Arabian Sea. They are spread over 110 square kilometers. They are a group of very small islands. Fishing is the main occupation. Coconuts are also grown in plenty. Malayalam is the language spoken here. Islam is the main religion in the Lakshadweep Islands. Kavaratti is the capital. Did you know Lakshadweep Islands have been formed from coral deposits. Life in the region. The two coastal plains cover some part of the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, West Bengal, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Gujarat. Most people of Gujarat are traders and farmers. Jowar, bajra, cotton, groundnuts, wheat, and sugarcane are main crops grown here. Jowar and bajra are grown in the rainy season. There are many industries in Gujarat. The prominent ones are sugar, textiles, and khadi. There is a big dairy at Anand. Salt is produced from the seawater here. Natural oil and gas have also been struck in Gujarat. Gandhinagar near Ahmedabad is the capital of Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi's Sabarmati Ashram is in Ahmedabad. It is a symbol of utmost simplicity, the kind of life Mahatma Gandhi lived. The Jama Masjid here is of unique kind. If one minaret of masjid is shaken, the others start shaking on their own. So they are called the shaking towers. Vadodara, Baroda is another important industrial center. A new port has been built at Kandla. The Gir forest in the south of the Rann of Kutch is famous for lions. The Gujarati women wear a sari, putting one end on the right shoulder. Men wear a dhoti and kurta and a turban. Gujarati is the language spoken here. Garba is one of the popular dance of Gujarat. Maharashtra. Maharashtra is situated on the Konkan coast. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. It is the largest seaport of India and an important industrial center. Many crops and fruits are grown in Maharashtra. Large deposits of petroleum have been found in the seabed near Mumbai. This region is called Bombay High. Goa. Goa is a small state situated to the south of Maharashtra. It is famous all over the world for beautiful beaches. It has many old churches. The most famous of them is the Church of St. Francis Xavier of Assisi. Christmas is the major festival. Panaji is the capital of Goa. The Mahalakshmi Temple and Fort Agoura two places of tourist interest. Most people are farmers or fishermen. Karnataka. The coast of Karnataka lies south of Goa. Coconuts, cashew nuts, and spices are grown here. There are thick forests of teak trees. Some paper mills have been also set up. Mangalore is an important port city. Kerala. The coast of Karnataka and Kerala are parts of the Malabar coast. The southernmost part of the western coast lies in Kerala. Kerala is a small but beautiful state. Tiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. People speak Malayalam and English. They like to wear white clothes. Men wear a small dhoti, lungi, and a shirt. Women wear sari and blouse and decorate their hair with flowers. Every person, man or woman, of Kerala is literate. Their main festival is Onam. It is a festival of flowers and boat races. Long boats run like snakes on the still waters of lagoons. Kathakali and Mohiniyattam are main classical dances of Kerala. West Bengal. West Bengal lies in the eastern coastal plain. The soil of the region is very fertile. The main crops are paddy and jute. Kolkata has many jute and textile mills. Orissa. The state of Orissa lies in the delta of the Mahanadi River. Farming is the main occupation of the people here. Paddy is the chief crop. The handicrafts and fine silver work of Orissa are famous all over the world. Oriya is the language spoken by the people. Their main festival is Shravan Purnima. Odissi, the classical dance of Orissa, is one of the well-known dances of this area. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Orissa. The Sun Temple at Konark and Jagannath Temple at Puri attract people from far and near. The Chilka Lake is a large and beautiful lake and a place of tourist interest. Andhra Pradesh. The Godavari and Krishna rivers from deltas in the coastal areas of Andhra Pradesh. Farming is the main occupation. Paddy is the main crop. Vishakhapatnam is an important seaport. The city has a shipbuilding yard, an iron and a steel plant and an oil refinery. Tamil Nadu. The Kaveri River forms its delta along the Coromandel coast in Tamil Nadu. The main crop is paddy. Chennai is famous for silk saris. Marina Beach is located in Chennai. It is the longest beach in India. Puducherry. Puducherry is a union territory. Nearly 45% of population in this union territory follows agriculture and related occupations. Puducherry is famous for Sri Aurobindo Ashram and the Matri Mandir. New words. Coast, the land next to the sea. Coral, hard, colorful substance hard, colorful substance formed from the remains of small creatures that live in the sea. Recap. Between the Arabian Sea and Western Ghats lies the Western Coastal Plain. The Eastern Coastal Plain lies between the Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghats. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in the Bay of Bengal. The Lakshadweep Islands are in the Arabian Sea. The two coastal plains cover some part of the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, West Bengal, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu.